This is the portable neck fan. It has 3 speeds and some flashing LED lights. It is a USB-C charged device with a little light that changes colors depending on if it needs to be charged, it is charging, or if it's fully charged. The power button is right here, nice and easy to find. And then it does have the air holes going all the way around. And the side's just plain. So, if I click it on, that's the low speed, medium speed, and then high speed. 4th click turns it off, and then if you press and hold, your color changing LED light comes on, and it automatically just switches through different colors. It is on both sides, so that's a cool effect. Just press and hold again and it'll go off. So it does come with a little USB-C charging cable and a little user manual that explains how to use the device in a bunch of different languages. But yeah, definitely very handy, great for summertime. It's got a strong breeze, and the colorful lights are a nice fun touch. So if you could use a portable neck fan, I think this is a really good one. So when plugged in, it's green, and it only works while it's plugged in, and then shuts right off. Will not work if it's not on, not plugged in. It just stays on for a couple seconds while it's plugged in and turns right off immediately. So green light. It's on because it's plugged in. But the second that it's not, it'll turn right off. Like that. Nothing.
And then you press it again to do your levels. That's off. This is slow. You can fill it a little bit. Medium.
More.
And high.
Good morning. We're out in the Florida sunshine of 100 degrees weather, and I am wearing my new device, and it is keeping me so much cooler. Trust me, my face could be so much redder, because it is so hot and I do not tolerate heat well. This device works absolutely wonderful in keeping you cool. If there's any updates to the product or you need someone to test products, I'm willing to do that for you guys. Works great, keeps me cool. That's the important thing for Florida golf. Good luck. I hope this helps you make a decision to buy this device. It's awesome.